Developer options is one of the underrated things on Android through which you can enable many features that's very useful for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the cool features that you can enable through developer options. So watch this video till the end because it's going to be really useful for you. Hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so let's go. So first things first, you need to enable developer options, and for that you need to go to your settings, about phone, and find build number. In some phones it will be inside software information, so after you find your build number, tap multiple times on that until you see you are now a developer. I'm already a developer, that's why it's showing you are a developer. So if you have done that, then the developer options will be enabled. Now let's follow the first trick. So trick number one will fasten the process of connecting your phone to your PC. So usually when you connect your phone to your PC through a USB Type-C, it will show a USB configuration settings through which you have to manually select on what type of connection you need to establish between your PC and your phone. But to fasten that process, you can go to your developer options and find default USB configuration, which will let you to choose the default option when you plug in your phone to your PC. So usually people use USB cable to connect your phone to your PC or connect your phone to your car. So you can choose file transfer / Android Auto as the default USB configuration setting when you use to connect your phone to the device. Trick number two will eliminate latency in your phone while you connect to any Bluetooth device. So usually this feature is helpful for all the gamers if your phone doesn't have low latency mode by default. And for that you need to go to your developer options and find an option called as enable Gable DOS. So Gable DOS is a newer version of a Bluetooth stack technology which will strengthen your Bluetooth connection and also reduce the latency of your device if it's connected to a Bluetooth headphones or something like that. So this feature will let your headphones have lower latency when you use it for gaming, which will be very helpful for all the gamers. So trick number three will make all the dark mode lovers happy. Why? Because there are some apps like Amazon and some websites which will not have dark mode by default. So this will let you to enable or force dark mode for all the applications which even doesn't support. For that you need to go to your developer options and find override dark mode, which will let you force use dark mode for certain applications which even doesn't support it, like Amazon. And keep in mind that this feature might be worse for certain applications that doesn't have dark mode natively supported. For Amazon it's good, and for other websites also it's good, but there are some few websites which will look very bad if you enable this. So keep that in mind, but if that's not a problem for you, then this is a feature that you will love. Trick number four will help you to see the RAM usage of your phone, and this is very important because there are some applications which you don't know eats your RAM a lot and also consumes your battery. And for that you need to go to your developer options and find memory use. This is a feature which will let you to see the RAM usage of your phone according to the timestamp which you select. However, there is another feature which will let you to see the real-time RAM usage, and for that you need to select an option right below the memory use feature, which is real-time services, which will let you see the real-time RAM usage of each and every application. And this feature is very useful when you have RAM issues in your smartphone, especially when you see an application consuming a lot of your RAM, which will also take a toll on your battery. Last and final feature will be helpful for all the gamers to increase performance while you game. And for that you need to go to your developer options and find graphic driver preferences, and after going inside that you have to find the application for which you need to increase your performance. For example, BGMI or Apex Legends or whatever the app or game that you need to increase your performance while you game, and tap on that and click on system graphics driver, which will force enable the GPU driver to be used in the fullest potential while you use that particular application, which will give you a solid gaming experience. And gamers, don't forget to check out this feature because it's very useful for you. So there you have it. These are some of the cool features that you can enable through developer options, and share this video with all of your friends and let me know your thoughts in the comments below that which one of these features was very helpful for you. If you end up liking this video, a like to this video would be absolutely great because it will help me in the algorithm. And not only that, you know the drill, most of you see my channel doesn't subscribe, so just click the red color subscribe button and make it grey, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me Arnav signing off. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.